Why does Rob look so shady running up? He's like looking back and forth and his hands are in his pocket. Rob,
I'm scoping this out.
you look so shady running up to the house.
That ass?
Yeah, because you're like looking back and forth, your hands are in your pocket.
Wait, for real?
Yeah.
Wait, did you get it?
I got you running back.
Fuck.
Good morning, guys. Rob and I are doing a deliveries in LA today. Our second route is 50 minutes away, and that's not the furthest one. We are dedicated to this. We found like 3 people yesterday. We actually 2 or 3 people hand delivered it. So really cool. But anyways, let's head over to LA. We're gonna be exploring. So don't worry, it's not a delivery video. It's gonna be a bunch of random stuff. Ready?
Let's do it.
Let's go. Oh my God.
Yay.
All right, Rob.
Oh, shit.
Okay, guys. I'll teleport you 2 hours later. Goodbye. Yo, my God. Mamacita.
Yeah, that's a
Wow.
badass song.
All right, guys, we made it to LA. Doing our first drop, and this one's special because it's a Tuna Crate member. You guys who subscribe to Tuna Crates, thank you so much. You guys subscribe every month, so you definitely are supporting the business monthly. I'm hoping someone's here today, so we're gonna wander over right now. This month's box are here. Hopefully someone's home. There's some cars in the driveway. I'm always afraid of dogs when I come home. Man, I don't think they're home. The box is cool though, look. Every month the front's different.
Signed and ready.
All right, let's hide this.
Got it.
Oh man, nobody home. What's up, dude?
Oh my God, you're fucking since old.
What's up?
Yeah, she just got it for me, but every month.
Oh,
every
sick.
year,
Yeah.
April, that's my birthday gift
Yeah.
for myself, that's like,
Dude.
crying. Oh, can I
Dude, come bring it in. Dang. Oh man, that's awesome. Dude, okay.
Oh man, my
Dude.
boy, he delivered my box right now. Well, my girlfriend bought it for me,
That's awesome.
Anniversary's coming up.
We rang the doorbell, I was like, hopefully
that's
answer it,
crazy.
and then we didn't, then we walked out, and then we saw you.
Yeah, so I was like, did they top it off?
Yeah, and I was like, oh, I gotta drop, I don't want to be a creep, like, hey, hey. That's awesome, let's take a picture. All right, man, thank you so
Crazy,
much. I've
bro.
got a ton of more drops to do.
Yeah, well, good luck to you guys.
I know, right? This is far, isn't it? It's fucking, yeah, there was a lot of traffic.
It's awesome.
But thank you for supporting.
Thank you.
I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for opening the door. All right, see you guys. Bye.
See you guys. Good luck.
Bye. Rob, we did it.
Did it.
We did it. Someone answered the door.
That was the best reaction.
That was.
we've
All right,
had.
that's it. We're done for today. I was kidding. All right, 17 more drops. Ready,
17.
set, go. Okay, we're in LA still. All right, so he's sleeping. I'm just gonna give him the package.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. I wonder, so the situation right now is Dad opened the door and he went in and talked to his son, which is Josue. And he said that his son works at night, so he doesn't want to come out and sign for the package.
I don't think he will.
I don't think he knows it's us, but I said, are you sure? He said, yeah, so back. Hopefully he gets it. Most important thing that he got it. Kind of bummer, I wanted to see him, but he works. I'm not mad about that. You're working hard. You keep at it, man.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry I missed you, but thank you. What?
I pee when I get home.
Rob said he never pees until he gets home. I pee every time on a route.
I pee. I like to pee at home.
I like to pee.
Yeah, like I
Anyway.
like to pee at home and shit.
You're so weird.
At
Anyway,
HQ.
we're at In-N-Out. If you guys have been In-N-Out, it's pretty delicious.
Ooh, it smells fucking good. You
I'm so hungry. I don't eat until like 5. We got a Mustang crew out here. It looks like we're at a car shop. Hopefully someone's here. Hopefully someone's here. No. Oh man, it's closed. Damn. All right, let me sign it. I gotta put it in this hole. Oh. Hi. Is Steven here?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, he's not in right now.
He's not- Oh, okay. So Steven just ordered something, and I'm the owner of the company. I wanted to come drop it and say thank you.
Oh.
Yeah, so we're doing a kind of surprise
Yes,
ride.
yeah.
We have some cool wheels back
You
here.
can come in and
Yeah?
take a look.
Can we?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, dude, Rob. I like your place. Oh, look. They have a Buddha. Look at all the wheels.
Do like a fitment, do appointment only.
Yeah, so this is a nice wheel spot
Because
here.
he's in and out, you know.
Can you give this to him?
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh man, that was awesome, Rob. That was super cool.
Wow, that was super random.
That was super car
You
stuff.
got the wheels in there?
All right, let's go to the next round. All right, we're in a sketchy part of town.
Going down the alley.
We're going down the alley. This is sketchy. Tagged. Oh man, I used to cruise down alleys too often.
Damn, I don't think.
You don't think it's here, Rob?
I don't think so.
You don't think it's here?
No. This is a setup.
This is a setup.
Nah, it doesn't even.
There's a TV, or you want a TV?
Oh shit, I'm down.
Tesla's the perfect drive-by car. They don't even know we're coming through the alley. Okay, what's the address? Right there. Hey, this area is super sketch. There's like cops down the street. There's graffiti everywhere. Cops are up. Cops. What happened, Rob?
Okay, so she just said. Oh, okay, pues.
She said put it on the porch?
Yeah, she just said to put it on the porch. I don't think he's here.
Oh, okay.
But she said there's a dog right here, but not to be scared because he's tied up.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Don't be scared, Rob. There's a dog back here. Hey, can you run? Can you run?
I don't see the dog.
Alright, we're out in Florence, Rob. Listen to some Biggie. Oh
shit. Sets the mood perfect, eh?
We got train tracks over here.
Oh shit. God damn.
We got
hydraulics and shit. Yo.
This is LA City, guys. I was just telling Rob a story. One of my first trips in memory going down to LA, I stayed on Cesar Chavez in East LA. Yeah. And I bought a hat on Cesar Chavez. And the hat had a black hat, Old English letter N, which stood for my last name. But this is like back in the early 2000s, late 90s. Like that's Norteños. Yeah. So Norteños, I'm walking around as like a kid with this letter N on my hat. Old English. Bad. Very bad. Very, very bad. Don't do that, guys. You guys hear this song? You guys know the tune, right? You guys know the tune, right? So that right there, that song is super old school because that was my ringtone for the longest time.
Damn.
Longest time. And it's ironic because we're in LA right now.
True. Shit.
Crazy life. Oh look, even more ironic. I own that Camaro. Oh, I had that Camaro bumping this song.
Damn.
The coincidence is insane.
You had it that color?
No, I had a midnight purple for that year.
Yeah.
How a fucking coincidence. LA song and car? Okay, I'm done. Dude, check it out. So this neighborhood is a little sketchy, but I want to show you guys the backdrop. Look at the backdrop. That's super nice. Yo, Rob, check it out. Super sick, huh, Rob?
Hell yeah.
Look at this.
It goes fucking far
all the way down there.
Wow.
Quite a neighborhood too. Over here.
Yeah. That's fresh.
Goes everywhere. Yeah, that's cool. Cool place. Neighborhood's a little, you know, a typical LA neighborhood. If you guys don't know, if you guys are just new to the channel, I spent a lot of my life in East LA, Culver City, this area. A lot of it, too much of it. Cool. Just go during the day and respect the area, and you'll be perfectly safe. Just know where your surroundings are, and you're gonna be fine. But definitely don't hang out here. Damn! Look, the cross section. Look, it crosses over here and over here. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of trees here, palm trees. Whoa, dude! I found the coolest mural. Check it out.
Private, but I'll
Look at
add you.
Instagram? Talk about your Instagram?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I'll tag you.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
SAMIR.
Dude, check it out. That is so cool. Look at this.
Oh shit, I thought that guy was real.
Yeah, Rob. That's so cool.
It's fucking
Hey,
fresh.
it's kind of like the one I drew.
What the fuck is that?
That's super cool. Look at this. Okay, we got some access somewhere. Oh crap! Oh, this is super cool. Wait, what the heck? Oh, what the heck? Dude, what's your name?
Malik.
Malik. Hey, dude.
The gallery pretty much donated to Nipsey earnings. Pretty much just these are all fans, local just artists that got inspired to do pieces by them. And
That was me like at 3 o'clock in the morning.
same thing.
That's so cool.
And some vendors gave out from
This is wild. This is so random. So you guys know the story. I laid down one night, got the iPad Pro, and I ended up wanting to draw a portrait. But Nipsey popped in my head, and the whole incident just happening. So I drew it. Rob and I are driving past, and look, it's a whole spot. Oh, Rob, this is wild. This is so cool. So we have the option of bringing art, dropping it off here, and donating posters so they can sell it.
We should go print it.
Oh, I'm so down. Hey, doggy, you doggy, doggy. Rob, this is crazy.
Fucking crazy.
Look at this. This is crazy.
Yo, and I didn't even know it was like, it's so hidden.
You just said, hey, look at Nipsey mural, and I was like, what? Flipping around.
And then it ended up being
An art gallery. Dude, this is wild, bro. I like this. Hopefully we inspired somebody today.
Yo, I think, well, I mean, I'm pretty sure we kind of did.
Hopefully. You see, like, you see my passion?
Yeah.
I'm passionate when I tell people, you gotta do this, because he has such great talent, but he's not on social media, he's not selling his art, he's not doing anything, but he wants to. He said he really wants to do something because he's not happy where he is.
Yeah.
So I was telling him, dude, you've got a talent, you gotta capitalize on that talent, market, look up what's in the world, and just do it.
Yeah.
I hope he does. I hope he hits me up. I told him, hit me up. I'll tell you. Advice, no problem.
The mural's beautiful.
Mural's beautiful. The talent is amazing.
Nice.
That's cool.
That is crazy.
Back to deliveries. Right now, Rob and I are a few blocks away from Nipsey's mom's house.
Oh shit.
Yeah, because the artist was telling us.
Yeah, he said it was.
We're not gonna visit it. I'm super respect for them, but it's kind of cool. This is kind of the area he grew up in.
Yeah.
That's cool, right? Look, guys, Nipsey grew up around this area. Walked these streets, hung out with people. That's crazy. All right, guys, we're back on our deliveries, and I don't think we can open here. Is there Victor here?
Yes.
Hi. Okay, I'm gonna sign this. Victor! Yo, what's up? Yo.
No, don't record me.
No, come on. You look pretty. You look pretty. I'm gonna sign the box first. Cool. Then I'll give it to you. Hold on.
Myself.
You look good. Yeah.
How long did I work yesterday?
Hi, how are you?
Buenas tardes.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
We went in the truck today.
Let's go. Let's race. Let's do this.
We went with Kylie.
Yeah. I don't know. Whatever. I gotta try to sell the car.
Sure, just study something 240?
Yeah. I don't have money or time. I didn't know you live out here. I thought you live here in Highland.
No, we used to go to school in Torrance. That's where I met him.
Super cool.
Yeah, man.
I like this. It's cool. Not bad. Gets crazy at night.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. He's the cause of the problem here.
Only on the weekend.
On the Friday nights after 5.
That's right.
Wow. This is cool. So apparently, he's been drifting with us before. So he's been drifting with me before.
Oh shit.
With Kai.
Oh, damn.
Small world.
Wait, what is he drifting?
We are 1 block. We can see the Marathon from here.
Yeah, it's like right there.
Clothing brand. His clothing brand right there. Have you had friends who've been shot?
I don't think I've ever. No, I don't think.
When I was 15, my friend got shot in the head by a drive-by. He was passenger right here, and a car guy came through and sprayed him, shot him right in the temple.
Damn.
Yeah, so familiar with like the life. It sucks, dude, to lose a friend like that. It really, really sucks.
Yeah.
So it's cool. We're gonna drive by. If it's too packed, we won't go. But I just wanted to drive by and check it out. Yo, is this guy drunk right now?
I think he's drunk, yeah.
Yo, he's wasted. Oh,
Whoa,
whoa. Walking in the middle of the street.
Oh shit. Damn.
Oh, he is wasted.
Yeah, he's fucking. He might trip over.
Hey Rob, get your homie out of the street.
Shit, I know, right? Fuck.
There it is. That's the spot.
There it is.
Turn left onto Finkel
Right
Center.
there. That's cool.
Oh, no. That one was trending.
Damn.
That mirror right there.
Yo, he just hit up gang signs, Rob. Yeah.
Yo.
You saw that?
Yeah, hopefully they don't see my shoes, cause fuck, eh?
Yeah, put your shoes away.
Rip Nipsey.
Rob, grab the photo!
Oh shit!
No! Yellow
Yo.
jumpsuit.
Dude,
That's awesome.
that's straight up
That was so
video
cool.
game character.
That was so cool. Let's Grand Theft Auto San Andreas.
Damn.
He's mobbing.
Oh shit.
All right, we are in a very different neighborhood. This neighborhood is nice. It's a lot quieter too. Or hopefully they're here. Drop off another package. Hopefully someone's here. Got another Tuna Crate member. Thank you guys for supporting. Please answer. I think it's a nice neighborhood though.
Super nice.
Super quiet. Listen to it. Thought I heard somebody.
Is it?
For this delivery, we have to actually walk because the road is closed. Just doing the road. Look at this. Rob, put your penis in it. It's too small. Oh, still walking, still walking. Hi, buddy. I got a package for your owner, but he's not home. Say what's up to the camera. Yeah, this is the dad.
What's up?
Nathan's dad. Your dad's cool as fuck. We just spent like 5 minutes talking. But this is your stuff. You're not here, but I'm gonna get a little video of your car. Thank you for giving it to him.
No problem.
Thank you, sir.
It's all good.
Nathan, your car is super sick. Guys, sorry for the wind. But I see you have a, was it a drift light or is, what is it? We see one of our hoodies in your car. That's super cool. Car is sick though. Your dad's awesome. And that is all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We are exploring the city while we're doing deliveries and sharing with you guys. If you liked what you saw, please hit the like button, subscribe. Maybe comment below, but if you guys don't, let me know what else I can make for you guys. But I thought it was pretty cool. We explored LA and found some really cool hidden gems in the city. But we'll be heading to, I think I'll be heading to the IE area tomorrow, and I might be heading a San Diego route. So if you guys are ordering, I'm seeing you guys soon. Peace out. Till next time.